y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today on Simply Mercy B, I will show you how to put together a simple, creamy, refreshing deviled egg. And if you're looking for a good deviled egg recipe, then why don't you join me? Let's get started. You want to start with some boiled eggs. I went ahead and boiled my eggs for 15 minutes, removed them from the stove, drain the water, and then I shock them with some cold water, and that makes for easy peeling. Once you have peeled your eggs, take a paper towel and gently roll your eggs on them to dry them off. To remove your yolk, you want to cut them lengthwise. Then you can carefully remove your yolk and place them into a mixing bowl. And place your egg whites into a serving tray. So now it's time to prepare our yolks. So I'm going to use my prep mat, and I'm going to take my yolks and I'm just going to mash them with the back of a fork just to get them all broken down. Now you can very well use a hand mixer to make the process easier, but on this day, this was convenient for me. Simply return your egg yolks back to your mixing bowl, and we are ready to put us together some creamy deviled eggs. To dress my deviled eggs, I like to use sandwich spread. It has all the ingredients that I would need to pretty much put this together. It has a hint of sweetness, it has all your pickles and other spices. So I start with a regular tablespoon, and we are going to mix that together. And I don't give any measurements because it's according to how wet or how firm you like your deviled eggs, and I tend to like mine more on the firmer side. So we're going to gradually continue to add our spread until we get the consistency that we like. Using my measuring spoons, I am only going to add about a dash of sazon to this mixture, a tad of paprika, and a pinch of salt. And to make it nice and creamy, just about a tablespoon of cream cheese. That's going to really layer that flavor in there and make it nice and creamy. Give it a try. Now we're going to go ahead and get everything all mixed together. And guys, remember, this is to your liking. If you find that you need to add more dressing to make it the consistency that you like, by all means, add more dressing to it. This is your deviled egg. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you for hanging around. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Like the video, share, leave me some comments down below. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for hanging in there and watching my content. I really do appreciate that. So now it's time to go ahead and add our yolk to our egg whites. Today I'm using a piping bag with the 1M tip. And I have a tall glass here to assist me while I get my egg yolk into the piping bag here. Simply remove your bag from your glass and carefully push your mixture down to the tip. And now we're going to simply fill the cavity of our egg whites. It makes such a beautiful design for presentation wise. On the other hand, if you do not have a piping bag, you can use the 2-spoon method. You can use 1 spoon to scoop your mixture and the other spoon to push it out. Either way, you're still going to have a delicious deviled egg. Once again, we are nearing the end of another video. And I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. It has been my pleasure to present to you my creamy deviled eggs. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, leave me some comments. I love to converse with you guys. Don't forget to add a little paprika for your final presentation. It's just the signature of a deviled egg, a little paprika on top. Okay guys, remember to keep life simple and I will see you on the next one. Bye.